Welcome everybody to another episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of December 27th, 2024. My name is Justin. I'm a photographer and product editor.
And I'm Clint. I'm a kit manager.
And this is a series where we go through the newsletters that get released on Friday and we show you that fabric in person. This episode's actually going to be a shorter episode this week because it is Thursday. And the episode goes out tomorrow. We've been really busy with Christmas. We actually took like a whole bunch of days off. So because of that, it's going to be a shorter episode this week, but do not worry. Next week, the episodes will return to their regularly scheduled programming. There is more to this week's newsletter. We just chose to highlight these two things. Be sure to check out the newsletter, which should have been emailed to your inbox if you'd like to see the other things. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we have to talk about, and probably the most important thing, is the Christmas and year-end sale. This is the biggest sale of the year. Everything listed under the sale is going to be up to 50% off, as well as free shipping on orders over $100. So with all that being said, we have a couple of notes to say. This sale cannot be applied to previously placed orders, and you cannot use reward points towards those orders for the sale. If you have multiple shipments on an order, they are going to still require additional postage, as well as that these free shipping does not apply to our full bolt specials. With all that being said, we're going to be trying very, very hard to work and process all of these orders that get placed. We do appreciate the patience with us during the holidays. With all that being said, if you need any in-stock items, be sure to select the FedEx 2-day option at checkout. That will ensure that you get it much faster. Come check out the Christmas and year-end sale and see what you can find.
The other thing we want to talk about this week is the Winter's Night Mystery Quilt Along. It's 4 weeks long. It starts on Monday. The quilt is a 19-inch by 73-inch table runner, and patterns are emailed weekly to those who purchased a kit or a standalone pattern. The kits are $49.96 and the patterns are $10.96. Definitely check out the Facebook group that is up, the Fort Worth Fabric Sewing Room. It's very helpful. A lot of people there that can definitely help you get some projects done. And if that's something you're interested in, I'd say get ready to sew into the unknown with our Winter's Night Mystery Quilt Along. And as always, we want to mention our comment of the week. This week we had a really tough time picking just one because there were so many people wishing us Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays on last week's episode and all over social media. So we just want to say thank you for that, and also Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. We hope it was a wonderful time for everybody. And be sure to leave a comment on this one. Maybe you'll get selected for next week's. Let us know if you got anything amazing for Christmas or any fun holiday plans.
Like I said, short one this week. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. Also, be sure to leave a comment. You might be featured for Comment of the Week. Like Clint said, let us know if you got any fun presents, if you had any fun plans, or just in general if you had a good Christmas holidays. Also, be sure to follow us on social media. Links are in the description. And with all that being said, we will see you guys next year for another episode of Friday Fabric Finds. Thanks.